3, 2, 1, go!
I'd gladly remember the river, you and me sailing on a boat.
Wow, this really sounds good. Did you add any effects?
Yes, I have this one. It's a really easy to use audio interface. You can add some reverb from your voice or your recordings, also noise reduction, some EQ. Works very well.
Okay, but it sounds like cheating. Where did you buy that?
I think I need to pick up this call. Hey, honey. Actually, not with Bill. Bill's sick, but I'm here with Bob. Sure? You want to talk to him? Yeah, wait a minute.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, it's Bob.
Wow, this was amazing. It's okay.